David, wake up. It's already 7:15 a.m.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
You said the same thing 10 minutes ago. We're going to be late for work.
I was really tired last night. I couldn't fall asleep until midnight.
I understand, but we can't be late every Monday morning.
Why are you always in such a hurry? We still have some time.
No, we don't. You haven't even had breakfast yet.
I'll grab something on the way.
Skipping breakfast isn't healthy. Besides, rushing every morning makes us both stressed.
You're making it sound worse than it is.
I'm only trying to help.
I'm sorry. I know you've been reminding me for weeks.
I just don't want us to start the day feeling stressed.
You're right. I've been staying up too late watching videos.
Maybe that's the real problem. If you go to bed earlier, waking up will be easier.
I think you're right. I need a better bedtime routine.
How about setting 2 alarms instead of one?
That's a good idea. I'll also put my phone away before going to bed.
Great! And let's prepare our clothes and bags the night before.
That will save us a lot of time in the morning.
Exactly. We'll have a calmer start to the day.
Thank you for being patient with me.
You're welcome. We're a team and we should help each other.
From tonight, I'll go to bed earlier.
And tomorrow morning, no more 5 more minutes.
Haha, I promise I'll get up on time.
That's what I wanted to hear. Have a great day.